Welcome back to our channel. I still remain Conjugates, your host. In this video, we are going to explain what complex numbers are and how to know if a number is a complex number. For example, the square root of -1 is a complex number. How can we define a complex number? If there exists a number z such that z is equal to x plus iy for all x and y in R, the real number, such that I is equal to the square root of -1, then C is a complex number. A complex number is made up of the real part x, this one, and the imaginary part, this y. And if the value of x is 0, then this complex number is going to be purely imaginary. We are going to have iy only, then it's still a complex number. How do we know if a number is a complex number? If we have any number, let's say z equal to the square root of -16, this one we can express it as, because we know that I is equal to the square root of -1, the square root of -16 can be written as the square root of -1 times the square root of 16, so that when you multiply -1 times 16, you have the square root of -16. Then this is equal to square root of -1 is I, then we can say I times square root of 16 is what? 4. I times 4 is what? I times 4 is 4i. That is the answer. Not I4, 4i. Compute the following. We have solution. For A, we are asked to compute I squared, and we know that I is equal to the square root of -1. Then I squared will be equal to the square root of -1 all squared, and this square root will cancel square. We have -1. B, I cube will equal to, we have square root of -1 as I squared, which we can express this as I squared times I using indices, which is equal to minus the square root of -1, which is equal to minus I. C, I squared all squared using indices, which we have I squared to be -1. You can simply say -1 all squared. -1 all squared is the same thing as -1 times -1, which is equal to 1. D. I raised to the power of 5. I raised to the power of 5 can be written as, we have I raised to the power of 4, I raised to the power of 4 times I, which we have 1 times I, which is I. I want to show you a short method to compute any given complex number like this. Like for example, this 5, you can start from 4. You know this 1, when you multiply 1 by any number, when you multiply 1 by any number, you're going to get that number back. In this case, whenever you have a multiple of 4, like 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, you're going to use 1 and then look for ways to simplify it. Okay, I will give you this. Do for E, I raised to the power of 6. Do that one and drop your answer. Do this one and drop your answer in the comment section. Do this E and drop your answer in the comment section. I will do if for I raised to the power of 17. We know that multiples of 4, we have 16 as one of the multiple of 4, which we can say I raised to the power of 16 times I is the same thing as I raised to the power of 17. Then I raised to the power of 16, since it is a multiple of 4, you have this I to the power of 16 to be equal to 1. Then 1 times I, you have I. That is all for this video. In our next video, we are going to be looking at the algebra of complex numbers, which we have the sum and difference of complex number. We are going to take into consideration the product of complex numbers, which means to multiply a complex number by another complex number. We are going to discuss the quotients of complex number, how to divide a complex number by another complex number. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. Drop your comments and suggestion. If you have any video suggestion that you want us to focus on in our next video, or any other suggestion, please don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section. Thank you and bye for now.